Right. I'm so happy to be here. Day 85 again in the evening. Without further ado, let's start off TOEFL speaking question and discuss some random topic. It's actually golden time. Like, can you believe maybe after 10 years I will be somewhere, I don't know where in the world, and rewatch this. We all will rewatch this. Just recall how was it right today, but today I'm here. Am I really in dormitory right now? Like, wow, what's life actually? Am I having? This shout out to me in the future. Right now, bro, you right now sitting here. This real, you were sitting here. And it was the way how it started. Do you prefer work? Oh, that's a new question. Do you prefer to work under pressure or to have a relaxed environment at work? What do I prefer actually? Let me think. Under pressure or relaxed environment of work? Under pressure or relaxed? I don't know. I can work under pressure. I like being under pressure situations. Yeah. So I can take my emotions. I can focus and concentrate so much really that I will do a good job, and eventually it's gonna be a good result. Because when you always been in a relaxed environment, when you chilling, when you are not in a high pace, and just when you in general pacing yourself, like, it's calm, yeah, it's beautiful life, it's normal, it's beautiful space, beautiful office, I don't know where you're working, and such a friendly atmosphere. It's good, but it's not so funny. I don't know. I would like to work if I choose the job like under pressure, crazy office, everyone is running, screaming, and just doing jobs so fast. I will choose this atmosphere than relaxed and peaceful office. I think it could be way more productive. I remember one story. Just alright, I wanna maybe skip this TOEFL because I wanna talk about this. I watched a video when I don't know what was his name, but he was a basketball player in NBA, one of the greatest in the history. I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember the specifically name. In one game, he was supposed to score the goal, like the hoop, in the basketball hoop, the ball, but he missed in the most responsible moment. In the end of the game, he missed his throw. And after the game, like, if I'm not mistaken, all the fans, they were not satisfied with the result, and this basketball player, he told his father that, father, I don't know, it was really difficult to goal because I was under real pressure. I felt this pressure so much, this atmosphere, that all the fans, all the audience, all the coach and you teammates, they were waiting from you to go. Everyone expected to go, but I missed. I felt this pressure so much. And his father, was a really wise guy. He took him, put in the car, drive out of city. This guy, basketball player, didn't understand what's going on and where were they going. But then father drove him to the bridge and the river bridge, and under the bridge it was a shelter, like small shelter, was a tent, and a family that lived in this tent, just homeless people. They had no house, no home, no money probably, and just trying to survive in general. And that father told his son, like, look at his family, look at this family, look at these people. What do you think? Like, do they feel pressure? Do they feel pressure right now? Are they alive under pressure? Obviously they do, because they don't have home, don't have food, don't have money, don't have anything. And you right now, you're telling me that you have everything. You have father, you have car, you have like great team, NBA, money, great contracts and audience, everything, everything. And you tell me right now that you feel this pressure? Like, just compare you, yourself, with that family. What is real pressure for you, bro? When you have everything to skyrocket, to make this breakthrough in your life and achieve results, just score this goal. And after that story, what the father taught him, this basketball player probably it was so young. He was so young at that period. He wasn't a star at all. But after the story, he getting more famous and better and playing better and working harder, and eventually he have become a star. So, what's the moral of all this? I don't know. Pressure is something that we can define only relatively. Because what do you think the pressure is for us? It's not pressure for someone else. For someone else, it will be just the greatest conditions he could ever imagine. Yeah. Have a good day, everyone. Enjoy your life. Enjoy being in this world. Oh my God. I will see you tomorrow.